Hello everyone. So we moved into the new house, so I am going to show y'all what it looks like. There's a bunch of stuff that we are going to be fixing up, like painting the walls, taking off the wallpaper and such. But anyways, I'm going to show you the house now. So this is my room. I have the whole upstairs. It's a huge mess right now because I don't want to unpack everything until I've been able to repaint and such, because I just don't want to have to move everything again. And here's the second room that I have up here. And this is what it looks like. My cats are in here. There's some stuff that needs to be done before I can let them roam around themselves a lot. My mattress is on the floor right now because my bed frame hasn't come yet. So that was that. Let's go downstairs. And that is the outside. The pond isn't ours, but we're allowed to use it. The property was separated into two. There was two houses on it, and we bought 10 acres of it with the barn and the house. It's a mess here because the cats. Anyways, this is the living room. We're going to pull out the carpet because we hate carpet. And we have a fireplace over here. It's kind of blocked off so the cats don't go in there at the moment. The sayings and such on the walls aren't ours, and we're probably going to take them down because I rather put artwork up. This is the front door. We don't really use the front door though. This is the dining room, but my mom wants to turn it into another living room and use the other room, the actual living room, for something else. I'm not going to show you the basement because it's freaking creepy down there. And it's not finished at all. So this is the wallpaper that my mom really wants to get rid of. And just, here it is. This is my armoire that I'm going to sand down and stain instead of that color. This is the kitchen. It is an ungodly mess right now, but this is what it looks like. It's pretty nice. Came with the fridge, microwave, stove, dishwasher, and then they have this fake little window here that I think is really cute. We like the wallpaper here except for the border up top, so we're probably going to get rid of this also. This is the back door. There's just a little entry area. This is the back door, and this is an extra room. The previous owners used it as a office, but we're going to use it as a spare bedroom. And then there's some storage over here, and then where that's blocked off is where the washer and dryer are. Well, just the washer right now because we haven't gotten the dryer because the other one we had was a gas dryer, and here we need a electric dryer. So this is the spare bedroom. Right now it is being occupied by this little guy. If I can find him. Here we go. This is one of the bottle babies we had. We still have the other one, but he's not doing great at the moment, so we have them separated. He's like, this one is like 3 times the size of the other one. He got a huge setback But this is the room. I'm not gonna go fully in there because it's just blocked off. Got a heater in there for him. This one's very playful and adorable. So, yeah, he's upset with me. He doesn't want to be held. But anyways, let's show you the outside if I can get out of here without this little brat escaping. There you go. Okay. Anyways, side. This is the back porch. Didn't show you my mom's room because I forgot, or the bathroom. But anyways, there's a porch connecting to the outside of my mom's room, and there's a hot tub that we are going to be fixing up this weekend to make sure it works. Then there is the garage, and attached to the garage is a man cave, and that's my brother's room. I'm not going to show you inside the garage. I will show you inside of my brother's room. My brother's dog is in there right now. Brother isn't home. They left this little tiki dude here. I think he's creepy, but my brother thinks he's cool. Anyways, in here, this is the man cave. We kept the couch that they have in here. And then they have a little bar area. And a fireplace. And I don't know if the fridge that they have back there works. And then the bathroom. The bathroom is amazing. So, here it is. This is the bathroom. And the shower has a, if I can open it, a trough for the tub. And it's up top. So this is the bath, the shower. That's my brother's dog. He's wanting out, so I am going to take him out. So I'm going to pause this video and take him out. This is outside the property. That's the huge barn. There's an indoor arena. We have to set up fencing for the horses still, because the old fencing got taken down. And there are like 12 stalls in the barn and an office area. Anyways, this is the garage and man cave again. Pond. Show you the outside of the house. At night, the stars are freaking amazing. This is the side of the house. No, forgot if I mentioned his name. But we have a front porch also. And this is the front of the house. I'm not gonna go back and show more of it because it's just a hassle, and the dog is really wanting to go and have a run. So I'm going to pause this again. This is the first indoor bathroom. The shower, Gonna replace the toilet lid. There's that. Then this opens and it's a medicine cabinet. We're going to eventually switch out the inside of the shower and such because the color they picked looks dirty. It's like this yellowish color. And then here's a huge ass mirror. Then this is my mom's room. Again, there's the door outside to the hot tub. And this is her bathroom. So jealous of it. If you can hear that, there's the little dude that's not doing well at the moment, but he's getting better now. He wants attention. And then the toilet is back here. And that's pretty much it. There's no Wi-Fi yet, so it's been kind of boring. And yeah, there's just I can't think. My brain isn't working. Anyways, no Wi-Fi. Haven't been doing videos because of it. So that's why I've been gone. And yep. Oh, and the lights for the dining room are awesome. There's these on the side and then the chandelier. They're on dimmer switches, so there's that. And yeah, that's pretty much it now. Kind of feel awkward now. But anyways, yeah, that's the end. Bye. Hope y'all have a great day.